How to remove follow button on Facebook profile. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, I will show you how the follow button looks like. So view as, and as you can see, I have this follow option instead of add friend option. So in order to remove it, go to your profile icon, then tap on the three dot. After that, you will see an option of torrent professional mode off. Tap on it. Keep on tapping continue and then tap and turn off. And now refresh your feed, then go to the three dot from here and then view as you can see, it will be removed in some time. If not, simply go to who can contact me or follow settings and then make public everything and done. So that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.